Right, picture this. It's a busy morning. You want something quick, tasty, and actually good for you. That's where my go-to fennel and apple smoothie comes in. Seriously, trust me, this is not your average smoothie. So, here's what I do. Grab one crisp apple, any kind you like, but I love a good green apple for the tang. Then, half a bulb of fresh fennel. Yup, fennel. It adds this subtle licorice note that makes everything pop. Slice both up, toss them in the blender. Next, fresh lemon juice, just a squeeze, plus a handful of spinach for that extra green kick. Add a small chunk of ginger if you want some zing, a cup of cold water, and a few ice cubes. Hit blend, and watch it all turn into this gorgeous bright green drink. Now the taste is light and refreshing, sweet from the apple, a hint of herbal from the fennel, and that little ginger punch. But the best part? The benefits. Fennel is awesome for digestion and packed with antioxidants. Apples bring in fiber and vitamin C, and spinach? Well, you know the drill. Iron, vitamins, all the good stuff. I feel energized, less bloated, and honestly, my skin loves it. Give it a go, and let me know how you feel after your first sip. Sometimes the simplest things make the biggest difference. So next time you're craving something fresh, whip up this fennel and apple smoothie. You might just surprise yourself. Cheers to your health.
Kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more healthy diets tips.